Hello friends, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine. May Allah Almighty keep you happy and keep you homes inhabited to continue enjoy my videos like this. Amin. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful designs crop top. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to you people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to you channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch fashion any videos, if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone, and else you can make a similar designs for you guys. The type of design the very beautiful in the country, and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video has a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friend, today in this video I will share with you different designs. We will keep sharing with you in kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to, I am very grateful to the people have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me, take care, well remember and prayer. Bye.